All right, guys, these repos are getting more and more dangerous. And it's new cars. It's not even old cars. Let's get into this video.
This is a 2023 Q3 with only 500 miles, and this thing was repoed.
Not only are Americans taking on more debt, but many are also falling behind on their payments, only making matters worse.
Yeah, I mean, we're talking about missing payments on pretty big things like mortgages, credit cards, and the biggest one is car loans. So, I mean, this is creating a really scary reality for a lot of Americans. Let's focus on the car issue because economists find that trend to be the most alarming here. And so we know that, being delinquent on your car payments can lead to your car being repossessed. And not only does that leave you carless, unable to get to work.
But see, guys, we got to understand the price of everything is going up. So a lot of people are just saying, forget that car. I got to buy eggs. I got to pay for daycare.
But it also impacts your credit score, which makes the ability of borrowing money for a new car even more difficult.
Yep.
This is a 2023 Q3 with only 500 miles, and this thing was repoed. S-Line. Somebody couldn't afford the payments on this car, but they thought they could. But look how clean this is. It's literally brand new. Only 500 miles. You see that? Right there. And here's another 2023 with 113 miles on it by Volkswagen.
Guys, I don't know. Explain to me. I'm just trying to figure out. And some of y'all are car salesmen. Some of y'all are even tow truck drivers. Explain to me how a car with 100 miles get repoed. I mean, that's like they didn't even make the first payment. You know what I'm saying? Like, I just don't understand. Leave it in the comments, guys. That's crazy.
It's a Q4 electric. Look at this thing.
That's a brand new car.
And it got repossessed. How do you get a car repossessed at 118 miles?
That's wild.
Look at that.
That thing is clean.
Technically brand new car. 118. This is a 2023 Audi Q8 with only 4,000 miles on it. Look at that.
Wow.
Audi Financial Services, 4,000 miles. Black on black. Let me give you all a start. Look at the inside though.
At least
double screen. And you got the third one right here. Look how clean this looks.
Right. You could literally
but somebody could not afford this car.
The tow truck driver says he's fine, and he's got plenty of business because Georgia has one of the highest repossession rates in the U.S.
I can believe that. My pops live in Atlanta. You know, everybody down south in Atlanta, everybody balling. At least that's what it seemed like. So I can believe that. That's probably true.
In the Mercedes.
Witnesses inside a Conyers title pond know something isn't right. They are watching a driver in this Mercedes SUV talk to a tow truck driver who has paperwork to repossess his car. The tow truck driver is on the left, and he is blocking the driver with his truck. Video picks up after the driver pulls forward.
That guy was coming over that curve trying to get away from that tow truck.
Keep recording.
Employees at the title pond tell Atlanta News First that the driver came in to apply for a loan.
Wait a minute.
When he saw the tow...
Did he say title pond? Wait a minute. So he owed back pay for his car note, and he trying to borrow money? Well, I understand. He probably trying to get some money to pay the car note, which is kind of backwards, but I mean, you got to do what you got to do sometimes. This is crazy stuff, man. It's unfortunate.
Tow truck, he got back in his car.
Tiffany, get my keys.
That's one of the employees worried about her car. It's this one. A minute later, she rushes outside to move it.
Right, let me get my
She backs up, and watch this. The Mercedes-Benz driver decides he's backing up.
Oh.
There he goes, up the ramp and over.
What the hell?
What? Oh, no.
What an
That's
idiot.
crazy.
Oh my gosh.
Could have killed
It's not
it.
worth
Oh, no. That's
that.
crazy.
It's not worth your life. It's not worth you putting somebody else in danger.
Conyers police say when the
Over a
tow truck
car?
driver opened the passenger door, he had no place to go. Watch again. As the SUV backs up, the tow truck driver climbs into the car as it flips over. He didn't want to be on camera, but on his video, the tow truck driver is surprisingly calm.
Wow.
You did that, not me.
Police say in any heated towing situation, you should call them.
Ain't no way, son.
That's what we are here for,
no
to mediate the situation and to resolve the situation as best as we can.
That's crazy.
2020 C8, this thing is a Repo. Check this out. That red with the black interior. Man, these things are sick. Look at that.
Expensive. Them C8's expensive. They nice, but they're
Let's
very
give it a
expensive.
start up.
And that thing looks like it ain't even been touched already.
Wow. Sounds crazy.
100,000 plus.
Looks like real estate agents are not doing that good right now. This is a
Lady.
17 G63 AMG. Look at this thing.
Man,
It's clean on the inside. Let's see how it sounds. Of course, one key. It's dead. It won't even start. That's crazy.
I think what happened a lot of times, especially with those trucks right there, they probably very expensive to maintain. So people probably say, you know what? I just give it back. I'm not paying for brakes for this joint.
2019 C43 AMG. Look at this color. That
Never
red
good.
with the black interior. Check it out. Red stitching on the inside as well. Look at that.
Man, these cars are like
Let's see if it will
bro.
start. Doesn't sound too bad.
They ain't gonna do nothing but resell it.
Panoramic sunroof.
Keep the cycle going, man.
Let's see how many miles are on it. It's got 30,000 miles on it.
That's enough.
Back on the top. One time, that was your dad.
Who? That wasn't even him.
Yeah, it was.
No, it wasn't.
Yeah, it was.
You bad about something, man. They got her at the gas station. Oh, man. See, it's unfortunate because she could be trying to go get her kids or something. Man. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's not funny, man. It's really a sad situation. It really is. We just don't know what people going through, what she was getting ready to go do, but you got to pay to play. Bottom line, man. It's the way of life. Unfortunate. Look, they don't care. The tow truck drivers will get you. There it is, guys. Like I said, I got so many of these videos to go, guys. If you want me to keep making these videos, leave it in the comments. Like I say, man, it's probably best to pay cash for a car, man, but everybody can't do that. Some people gotta finance. A lot of people have to have a good car so they'll finance a car, because some people live far away from their job. You know what I'm saying? So they gotta drive to work every day. So sometimes a car's a necessity to some people. I mean, everybody's situation is different. So I appreciate y'all watching, man. I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.